favourite day of the week. Saturday morning. Lovely day. Anyway, here's a quick one. Welcome to Rip Off Britain. Doing 3 bags of salt there. I bought them exactly a month ago. 75p each. Been buying them for yonks. 75p each. Just been to the shop to get 3 more because I thought I'll do the salting today. 6 will do us all the way around. So I goes, leave that on there a minute. That's the last of them ones. And then the next ones are piled up at the side of them. And these are all I've got. 1.49. 1 penny off being double the price in a month. YouTube it is, see how you grow salt. Anyway, that thing's turned up for that end it drill. It's a pump. So it's pump water out of barrels with drill. So you can use rainwater instead of tap water with that hose. Oh, and that come as well. I saw it on tour. I saw Tony had one. So I ordered a small one. It's food blitzer. But I'm doing my egg cells in it, see watch. Grind my egg cells down. Yeah, Rip Off Britain. Right, let's have a look what's going on. Because we've not been on. Oh, look at them peas. Oh, them sweet peas need nipping out. I took cover off them last week because there was touching, they was going through, so they need planting out. Get them out today. Whoa. That veg looks okay. Them beans don't look so good them yard long, but I've just planted some more at home. Oh, I didn't swap my beetroot about, did I? Mad. Carrots look okay. Let's look at tomatoes. Oh, here's Ken. Yeah, so there was Ken anyway. Just a brewer Ken. He's got bookies now. Right. Oh, he's gone picking his horses. Yeah, they're looking okay, these. Looking splendid. Melting. Yeah, so same as I say, I'm going to get some of this veg in today. We'll get them peas in, whatever's there. And then with us, for the rest of it, I'll plant peas in the ground. Come up in no time this weather. Need a box of dried peas. We'll get that beetroot in today. And some of this stuff here. Let's get this over. There you go. Yeah. A few of them lettuce I'm not in it. I've got plenty more here. Oh no, them ones there. Yeah. Some of this can go in as well because it's a bit leggy. Look at this one here. Spot the difference. 2 tomatoes in the middle. Seeds must have dropped in with a broccoli. I've got 2 broccomaters. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get all this in. I'm going to snip them sweet peas off at top so they grow a bit bushier. Might even get them in, all them peppers look okay over there. Good. I'll pop them in that tunnel in a minute for keep them a bit warm. Look at that giant sweet corn. There's a water that. Right. So we'll sort this bed out down here. I think beetroot's going in that tunnel over there, that netted small one. So I'll get them in there. There you go. That's 35 beetroot in there. When they stand up, I'll interplant lettuce in between in these rows. But Put that down now, keep a bit of draft off them. Keep them pigeons off for a couple of days. Drop that down, try not squashing the plants. This arm drops down there. Oh, there it is. I need to take them off. Hang on. Yeah, I'll put them down. I'm going to take them off because they keep dropping down, they squash the plants. Bad disarm that, get me dibber. Right, next job. Oh, Henry's run that bed, good lad. We will have broccoli and cabbage in them too. So we'll go and get them. Boom. Kettle's on. Cruising through these here. There was them tomatoes, what was in there was 3 in there with the broccoli. Bonnie plants, well planted ones in it. That's a spur collie. Only ended up with 9 broccoli, but that's okay. So we've got 9 broccoli there, 3 collie there, and 8 collie in there. And that's them done, so I'll give them a while. I'm sure it looks looking good, isn't it? It's what do they call it, that? Cranberry. Needs a good soak, that. Right, so what we've got left in here, we've got another collie, tray of collie and a tray of cabbage. In fact, we've got 2 trays of cabbage. So we've got some golden acre there as well, because I did extra. So, collie and cabbage. Of cabbage, collie, and something tall along the back. Something tall along the back of there. Something tall along the back of there, in fact. Hang on. Yeah, I'll put broccoli here where it's nice and straight along here. And because it curves there, I don't want my veg touching this net. I'll put broccoli in, haven't I? Forget about broccoli. Put my Saturday head on. Yeah, cabbage and collie on these 2. And there was an little spur, I'll put them in the middle. It's a brew first. So Henry's put that on, I'll put that in a pot. It's beetroot, but we left it in there because we dug it out. We put it down there. It's 2 cock. There. So I can grow a marrow there with apple trees. I'll do that this weekend too. And get this shed sorted. Because when I made it out of old bits of fencing and everything, and at the back there, you can see it. It's just rotted off, so I need some wood on it. So it looks an eyesore from Steve's side, I'm sure I saw it. Have a look here. Yes, I did. These potatoes have started busting through, so that's good. I'll give them a drink in a minute. Rubbed off with rockets. First earlies. That's a good sound. Oh, spider's web there. Spider-Man's been in here. Hope his dad doesn't come running after me. Didn't expect any spuds yet, didn't I? Expected these coming through with all these pink fir apples. Nothing yet. Fingers crossed on them. Oh, hang on, what's that? That's a brick. Nothing yet on there. Oh, kettle's boiling. Right, before I get them cabbage in, we'll plant what peas we've got here. We need to mess with that mouse actually, as you can see. They should be just full ram-packed with peas, but mouse has helped us out there, so what I'm going to do is take them out and just plant what we've got, and then I've got a box of dried peas and just drop them along line. They'll grow this weather, so we'll get them in there. There we go, out in 4 gutters. And he's got a full bed of peas. Near enough. But what I'll do is that. So I need some net on that now, because it's just a goodly-do up there, and pigeons are watching me. Don't know where they are. But they'll be, as soon as I walk off, they'll be onto them, so I won't get a piece of net for them. Boom. Bouncing through these jobs, you know, 9 o'clock. It's because nobody's on with me. And I can crack on with them. Now, them peas are in there, they've just had a good drink, and I've netted them up. I've got nettings 3 metres, so I just threw it straight over and stretched it over, so there's room on this side to pull it out now and plant some beans or whatever. We should get a good show off them peas up there. Right, I'll tell you what. Just bringing the fags down. I don't know what all this Henry's planted. That looks like a Savoy cabbage or a pat choy or something. But it needs to come out of there, whatever it is. I'll have to ask him it morning. I need my cup. Brew time. So when I'm having a brew, I'll get cabbage and collie on each side of them. And then in here, it's a cup in here. And carrots do well, aren't they? Looking belting. Nice and damp underneath, see? Works that system. Yeah, so I'll get 2 of them out. And I'll get them sweet peas potted up into a thing, and then I'll get to my peppers when I can. I'll get rid of this in a minute. And I'll leave them lettuce we'll put over at middle where it grows big. And we've got them growing big before we put them in. Should get them in next week or maybe before we go back to work. So we'll have 1 tray of cabbage left, which can go in. I don't know what's going in the bin because it's rubbish. It's all bits and bobs. Cabbage can go in this one here at this side. Yeah, because sweet corn and tobacco's going over there. I'll sort it out. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I might fill them there. Something what's hard here. Yeah, that'll do. Have cabbage either side. And collie down the back. Yeah, that'll do. Then we've got 2 spare beds in there. 1 spare bed in there, because the back's for the sweet corn. And we've got 1 beds there. We've also at home we've got some celery. Some other bits and bobs up there. But we won't get sorted in here right soon because we've got our peppers there that need going in here soon, planting in the ground. So he's a big spider, isn't he? Is he, you know? Shut off. Yeah, but first I'll make that brew. Yeah, that's about it. It's just gone 11 o'clock. I've just watered everything up. Give everything a good drink. And I didn't get them cabbage and collie in, but I'll get them in the morning. Give me something to do. Get the rest of them in and sort that pepper bed out tomorrow. Just cut my hand again. Out of my knuckle. Chuckle. So up there standing up tomorrow when I come in. I come on. The peas are looking okay. Yeah, I want them standing up and them. Hopefully they've had a good drink anyway, so. Right, let the woman have a brew with her, let's see if she's up. She's been on that, so. See you at morning. Tell a lie. I'll see you in about 2 minutes. Just have a look at these plants at home now. You know, these I've done by mistake because I didn't think the others had turned out. These are all giant pumpkins, but there's nobody having them up allotment. We don't want no competition with them. I don't know the good seeds then. So we'll get rid of them somewhere, not throw them away. That tobacco's kicking off now, can you see? So that's looking okay, so I'll put that in sun. Up there. Just add a good water. Oops. Back in the joint. So that's okay up there. The other tobacco's coming on there now. A lot of that needs coming out of there and putting in pots, these like cress. So I'll take that up allotment and leave it at top for Sunday. Somebody will take some. And peppers are kicking off. There's a lot of black Jarrah tomatoes in there, they can go up allotment tomorrow too. Later all got some more peppers there, they're okay. That lovely bleeding's kicking off, can you see? Sweet corn. Getting big now. Celery, that can go up allotment. Planted some more, got planted in here. You had long beans because they didn't look out so good at allotment if you leak. They're just coming out now. I can't remember when I planted them, just before I went back, like 4 days they've been in. I planted some more giant sweet corn in there. Yeah, loads of flowers on strawberries. Everywhere, so we should have strawberries soon. Oh, there's another golden Virginia. Oh, we had 6. Oh, that's Henry's climbing hydrangea after I do a cutting for him. It's just started coming, can you see? So you can have that. That's for his garden somewhere. There's Bobby doing it for me. Yeah, we're going to have a brew, I believe. See you in the morning.